Okay, here we are at Sacramento International Airport. We'll be flying to San Francisco using ILS and IFR settings. And the first thing that I had to do was set up a flight plan. So I'm going to bring up the menu, and you can go to Flight Planner. And now I've set the settings on for a nighttime flight. So I'm going to set the flaps right now to about 15. I do that using my joystick. And the keyboard to bring up that little window. There's keyboard settings, and that was Shift F4 for the flaps. All right, so for speed for takeoff, I'm going to be trying to hit around 180 miles an hour or 160 knots. So I'm going to go outside the aircraft and take a look at it. Air traffic control now, and request clearance for takeoff. right here, I'm going to bring up the flaps, and I'm using my joystick, and you press G on the keyboard, it'll bring up the landing gear. Also, let's do some settings here for autopilot. So the altitude we've been given is 6,000. And we're going to turn on the autopilot and altitude hold. Our speed, we are going to set at 250. We're going to set it on a nav hold, and we have to turn on the auto throttle switch speed. We also have to turn on the heading, and it's 195. Might as well go this way. A little quicker. Get to 195. If you scroll too quickly, it'll blow right by the setting. So that's all set. Altitude, hold, heading hold, nav, speeds on. So this is set to nav. So we're good to go. Release, and we'll be on auto.
Turn left, heading 195, resume on navigation, climb and maintain 6,000, 1123, heavy.
See our gears up.
One, two, three, heavy. Turn left, heading 165. Turn left, heading 165. 1123, heavy. NorCal departure, orbit 503, climbing through 3,200 for 11,000. Orbit 503, NorCal departure, roger, altimeter 2992. Orbit 503, turn right, heading 135, proceed on course, climb and maintain 11,000. Turn right, heading 135, resume on navigation, climb and maintain 11,000. Orbit 503. Orbit 503. Travis approach 1123 heavy with you. 1123 heavy Travis approach, roger. Altimeter 2992. 1123 heavy, you're 60 miles northeast. Turn left heading 150, expect sectors ILS. Runway 28, right approach. Turn left heading 150, expect vectors ILS, runway 28, right approach, 1123 heavy.
Okay, so there we've now been assigned our runway. So we can go to procedure page display, click select approach by hitting enter, scroll down till you get to 28 ILS 28R, enter the vectors, and we're going to activate. And we just hit this procedure page display button twice, and it'll take us back to this screen. The other thing we have to do is find out what the frequency is for that runway. So we're going to go to World, Map. Okay, let's go back to the aircraft and enter the course heading 283. And we need to bring up Shift to the radio stack. So for nav 1, I'm going to turn on the audio for the Morse code, and I'm going to set this at what we recorded, which was 111.70. and then you have to, that's a standby, you have to activate it. So activated now, so that's good. Okay, you can check your altimeter here setting. If it's not set at 299 you won't be flying at the accurate altitude. So you want to adjust that just by using this little knob here. You can see right there. I just moved it a bit and moved it back to 299 Okay, there's our runway heading right there. Just starting to come into view with that red line.
1123 heavy. Contact NorCal approach on 120.1. 120.1. 1123 heavy. Descending 3,500. Each 447. Climb and maintain 11,000. 1123.
Okay, I just reduced the speed to 210 knots. The airport is straight ahead, and the airplane just started turning towards this on its own because this information is programmed in and the frequency as well. So we'll just follow that in and just watch the progress as we go. Be putting on some flaps, about 15 degrees, and then I'm going to lower the landing gear shortly. When I land, I'm going to be putting on reverse thrust, braking, and also putting on the spoilers. Okay, I'm going to put approach hold on now. Okay, we can see the runway up ahead here, and I've got the flaps down 20, got the landing gear down, so we're just going to watch the aircraft land. I'm going to turn down the speed a bit as well. Glide slope, it should start going down towards the airport.
123 heavy, cleared to land. Runway 28 right. San Francisco Airport information, Papa. 0859er Finland, wind calm. Visibility greater than 20 miles. Sky conditions, clouds at 5,700. Temperature 14.5 altimeter. 2992. ILS, runway 28 right and ILS, runway 28 left in use. Landing and departing, runway 28 right and runway 28 left. VFR aircraft stay direction of flight. All aircraft reach back home to short instructions. Papa. San Francisco Airport information, Quebec, 0900, wind calm. Visibility greater than 20 miles. Sky conditions, clouds at 5,700. Temperature 1 warm, dew point warm, altimeter 2992. Cleared to land, runway 28, right, 1123, heavy.
So we have picked up the glide slope, and you can see our altitude is decreasing.
Contact ground on 121.8. 121.8 for 1123 heavy. San Francisco ground 1123 heavy. Request taxi to the gate. 1123 heavy. Taxi to gate Delta 14 using taxiway Lima Charlie Echo Alpha. Taxiing to gate Delta 14 using taxiway Lima Charlie Echo Alpha 1123 heavy.
So you can turn on a progressive taxi by pressing 1 on your keyboard. There you see it.
Hold position. Caution the departing Boeing 747. Hold position 1123 heavy. Heavy. Continue taxi. Roger. 1123 heavy.
let's see if we can get that gate to come over to the plane. It looks to me like it's too far. We'll see. Okay. You press Control J and the gate will come over. But obviously, we'll see. If we were ever told to stop. Okay, so you can do a pushback, Shift P. We're a little too far out. So the plane should push back. And then we'll just move that gate back again. Okay, so Shift P will stop it again. And we'll just try and get a little closer. Open the door, Shift E. So that concludes our flight.